Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Bangla. Today we will learn two simple greetings you can use every day. The first greeting is Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. That means peace be upon you. This is very common and respectful greeting in Bangladesh. You say Assalamu alaikum and in response other people say Wa alaikum assalam. So Assalamu alaikum means peace be upon you. Wa alaikum assalam means peace be upon you too. So here you go. You learned the first greeting. Our second greeting is Apni kemon achen. That means how are you? Apni means you, how means kemon. Apni kemon achen, how are you? And in response other people say Ami bhalo achi. I'm fine. So if we summarize today's conversation, so first conversation is Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. Other people says Wa alaikum assalam, peace be upon you too. Then you say Apni kemon achen, how are you? Other people says Ami bhalo achi, I am fine. Great job. You learned your first Bangla greeting. See you next class.